Hi everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to be telling a short story called The Wooden Bowl. There was an old man whose health was deteriorating and his eyesight was poor, his hands shook, and he walked very slowly with great difficulty. So he went to live with his son, daughter-in-law, and grandson. The family always ate dinner together, and one night the old man wanted to help, so he took his plate from the table and began walking into the kitchen. When he dropped his plate, it broke and scattered all over the floor. It wasn't the first plate he had ever broken, and his son and daughter-in-law were annoyed. A few days later, the son went into his workshop and began making a wooden bowl for his father so that he wouldn't break any more dishes. The young son came into his father's workshop and asked, "What are you making, Dad?" His father said he was making a wooden bowl for his father to use. The little boy watched, but he didn't say anything. After some time had gone by, the father went into his workshop and he saw his young son working on something. "What are you making, son?" he asked. Sweetly, the little boy replied, "Oh, I'm making a wooden bowl for you, Dad, to use when you get old." A holy man was asked, "What was the most incredible thing that you've ever seen in your life?" And he said that people can see others deteriorating around them, getting older, disabled, and dying all around. And they never think that it'll happen to them. This story helped a number of my clients to be more patient with their parents who were elderly. After all, one day we will all be old if we're lucky. Thanks for listening and watching. See you all next time. Bye-bye.